Here at Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited, we pretty much ended 2020 the same way we started, busy. Now, what happened in between beginning and ending, well, that's a totally different story. But we're very, very happy to know that as we were pulling the curtains down on 2020, we were able to do so in fine style, launching our villa rental products. And Christmas was an ideal time for this startup venture. It was a celebrated event, and we are pleased to offer to you in one location 3 amazing units for occupancy. They're available now, they're ready for you, priced just right. And I speak, of course, of High Life Riviera. As a matter of fact, the proper name is High Life Cheateu Riviera, and then there is High Life Cheateu Manor. And of course, in classic style, the Riviera overlooks everything. It's our upstairs unit, classic 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms, jacuzzi, tub installed, and they are just fabulous. Then, of course, as the French would say, High Life Cheateu Manor is on the ground floor, closer to everything. Our units have the distinct advantage of location, and as we say, location is everything. And so, we are just about 3 minutes from Boots, which is the gas station. And I mean, who celebrates a gas station? But it is the only, what do they call it now? I don't want to get it wrong. Electric charging station on this side of the North Coast. That's a big deal. And of course, for the comfort of those in the surrounding areas, they also have supermarket and ATMs and every little thing. So you don't have to go too far for that. One of my favorite hangout spots is just across the way, and that's Scotch's. Still serving up some of the best jerk sausage, which is my personal favorite. But of course, everything else jerk with sides of roasted sweet potatoes, breadfruit, plantain, best soups. Oh, their sauces are made in-house and they're oh so good. And if that wasn't enough, we are just minutes away from Mystic Mountain, minutes away from Dunn's River, Dolphin Cove, just across the road from Rio Trias. So picture this. You have decided that you're going to stay at the Rio, but you know how it is with these all-inclusives and gaining access, especially now. It's a good idea to book a few nights with us at High Life Manor, which is our 1-bedroom suite. We didn't even spend enough time on that, so let us go back. Our High Life Manor, High Life Cheateu Manor, downstairs unit, very cozy for those who want an intimate space. Right there, a nice nook. It's a 1-bedroom offer, 1 bedroom, 1 bath, jacuzzi tub installed with all the comforts of home. The colors are lively and they get your spirits up. For those art aficionados, you'd be happy to know that all the art pieces located in this cozy unit are all done by our celebrated son of the soil, Dwayne Hamilton. And yes, of course, if you see what you like, if you want to own a piece of creativity done right here in Jamaica, we can help you to secure that as well. So the High Life Cheateu Manor, downstairs unit, ground floor. The reviews speak for themselves. Absolutely comfortable, and it's a place to be. Let's listen to what our latest client had to say about her stay.
I'd like to first thank Sharon, our wonderful host, Her professional manner was superb. This is a person with experience in hospitality. My experience at the Great Escape Manor was above what I expected. I was skeptical due to previous experiences with other B&Bs. I can say this, if Sharon says her B&B has something, it definitely does. The place was immaculate and well equipped with all our needs. We were extremely comfortable and welcomed like royalty. This was definitely what I call high hospitality. I know this. It was a first experience and it won't be our last. And I'm so happy we found somewhere to escape to that offered way more than we imagined. Once again, thank you.
Now for our Christmas promotion, which has already expired, we had a preferred offering and we dubbed it the Great Escape at the Manor. So you will hear our clients speaking about Great Escape Manor. That was our December promotion, offering 46% off. And boy, was that a deal. And so for the middle of Christmas, heading into the new year, we decided we are going to start out with a bang. And what a wonderful experience those clients had. Now back to talking about a little bit as to what's available within the proximity of our two wonderful units of which we're speaking of right now. We also are just about a stone throw from Miami Bay Estates where the Bamboo Blue restaurant is, and that is a local favorite. So you can go there, buy a drink, rent your Chase Lounge, hang out all day, good vibe, good music, good food, and amazing beach access just across the road, pretty much diagonally from where we are situated. And if you continue just down past the Draxall Estates area, you get into Bettina's, which is an amazing Italian style restaurant. Something not to be missed. Anglers is in the same vicinity. And if you were to go back past Scotches, you have that hemp shop. And you know medicinal marijuana is definitely the vogue. And all of the auxiliary items, they're all available. Not a thing to miss. You need to go in and take a look as well for that. Our third offer is T&J Cheateu, and this is a cozy home away from home double level dwelling. It's wonderful. So from the moment you enter, from the moment you grace the portals, you feel such warmth, such calm, such sense of homeliness descend on you. And so we enjoy the fact that when our clients arrive, there's just a sense of absolute relaxation. And so the virtues of this property cannot be understated. And we were very happy to have an extended family vacationing with us over the holidays. And nothing says it better than when your clients, in reflection, take time just to tell you exactly how they felt. And, we like you to hear it directly from them. Sometimes they write it out, and to aid you in the reading process, I will just share that with you right here. She starts out by saying, absolutely beautiful. And of course, hearts, hearts, hearts. And then she goes on to say, I spent my Christmas weekend with my family. The open concept living dining kitchen is spacious and modern in furnishings. The beds and the pillows are extremely comfortable. I was out by the time I put my head down. Then she goes on to say, Chef Dixon, and this is our mobile chef, who was also part of the booking package. She says he was amazing. Hats off to Chef Dixon. All those scrumptious meals he prepared for my family, I still have us talking about it. The kids totally enjoy the pool. This area is very clean and well kept. I will definitely book again for my next family event in Jamaica. It's great that you mentioned the pool area because yes, we do have a pool which is for the complex and there are not many users on any given day. It's a very quiet, serene area. Most of the times you'll probably find one family utilizing that space, and then the outdoor spaces are just very intricately placed, and it's a nice little getaway. So you have the option to spend your entire stay just kind of lounging or getting busy, getting out there. And of course, with mention of Chef Dixon, we will have to share our little teaser video with the chef doing Christmas breakfast. Man, that was tantalizing. Not to mention Christmas dinner, Boxing Day, lunch, and breakfast. Something to speak about. And of course, in my humble opinion, the high point of the stay was the mobile spa services presented by Samambia Mobile Spas. Just take a look. Tell me if you see yourself enjoying these wonderful treatments. There's so much more to share, but then the good old saying goes, it's better felt than told. So I will leave you to create your own experiences. Remember, 3 amazing offers, 1 location, proximity, just about to everything. You know, we didn't even speak about transportation. We are steps away from the main road taxes abound, secured parking, just minutes away from Knutsford Express. We also offer shuttle service from the Montego Bay Airport. We will do transfers from the airport in Kingston as well as pick up and drop off from various points within Kingston. We will offer car rental services that you can build into your package. You're planning an event, a birthday celebration, we can do that for you as well. The offerings are just absolutely endless. Have an idea? Not sure how to flesh it out? Call us. We'll work on this for you. The villas, private, secluded, just steps away from everything. You need to put this in your planning. And just for all of you, if you listen to this recording and based on the visuals and all that it has to offer, you decide to book any of our 3 or all 3 of our offers in this particular location right here in Miami Bay. Did I say it's in Miami Bay, St. Anne? Oh yes, right here in Miami Bay. We have a special offer for you. Just remember to put the promo code YouTube promo and you will get your very special offer. So what's more to say? Get out and book it. Call us now. Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited. We're all about the fun.